Students, now we are going to see the organic chemistry lesson in unit 11, that is alcohol, phenols and ethers. So now what is alcohol? Hydrocarbon. In a hydrocarbon group or compound, when a hydrogen atom is replaced by OH. Hydrocarbon. If the hydrocarbon is alkane, that is called as aliphatic alcohol. If the hydrocarbon is alkane, then the hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon replaced by OH is called aliphatic alcohols. What is aliphatic alcohol? The hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon is replaced by OH group, that is methyl ethyl. Hydrocarbon means alkane. If you remove one hydrogen means it is called methyl ethyl. To that, if OH group is added means it is called methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. That is called as aliphatic alcohols. So now we are going to see the next type of alcohol, that is aromatic alcohol. What is aromatic alcohol? When a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon, that is hydrocarbon here is aromatic, that means compound containing a phenyl or the benzene ring. Is replaced by OH group. If the hydrogen atom in aromatic compound replaced by OH group means that is called aromatic alcohol. So first one, two types for aliphatic, aromatic. Aliphatic means hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon replaced by OH group. And the second is aromatic, in which the hydrogen atom in aromatic compound replaced by OH group. Can you able to understand this one? So now we are going to see the applications. What are the applications of alcohol? That is, in the application of alcohol here is, it is used in where the alcohols are used. That we are going to see. That is spirit. Spirit means ethanol, pure ethanol. Used for polishing wooden furnitures. Next one is sugar. Cotton used in fabrics, paper for writing. All these compounds containing the OH group. Now, alcohols containing one or more hydroxyl groups directly attached to carbon atom of aliphatic system. Alcohol containing one or more OH groups directly attached to carbon in aliphatic. In aliphatic means without benzene ring. The carbon atom is directly attached. Example for that one is methyl alcohol. CH3 is methyl, no? So it is methyl alcohol. And the next is phenols. The next we are going to see the phenols. Another type we can explain this as phenols. So what is phenols? The OH group directly attached to the carbon atom of aromatic system. What is aromatic system? Compound having a phenyl group, that is C6H5 group. The OH is directly attached or in the side chain. That is called as a aromatic compound. Here, when it is directly attached to the benzene ring means it is called phenols. When it is directly attached to the benzene ring means it is called phenols. Now, the substitution. Now, we are going to see the another type of oxygen family. That is, the substitution of hydrogen in the hydrocarbon is by OH means that is called alcohol. By alkoxy or aryl oxy means RO, ARO. Hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon. Now it is replaced by RO, ARO. AR is nothing but aryl, C6H5. New compound called ethers is obtained. Example for that one is CH3OH. If we put a hydrogen here means it is called methyl alcohol, no? Instead of hydrogen, we are substituting the methyl group here. And now it is called, what is the name of this compound? Here we have a methyl. Here also we have a methyl. Totally we have a dimethyl and this one is ether. Dimethyl ether. In another way we can say this is, that is the substituting the alkyl or aryl group in the place of alkyl or aryl group in the place of hydrogen atom of hydroxyl group. Hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group in alcohol or phenol, we also get ether. Now, by replacing in hydrocarbon also, we get ether by RO or aryl. Here we get ethers by replacing hydrogen in hydroxyl group. Replacing hydrogen in hydrocarbon means RO you have to substitute. Replacing hydrogen in hydroxyl group means only R we have to substitute. So these are the types of alcohols. These are the types of alcohols. And the next is alcohols classification. We are going to see the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. How alcohols are classified? Alcohols are classified into alcohols and phenols. Both are classified into monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, polyhydric. Name itself we can understand what is monohydric, what is dihydric, and what is trihydric, and the last one is polyhydric. First we are going to see the monohydric alcohols. What is mono? Mono means single. That means a compound containing only one OH group. Compound containing only one OH group. Dihydric means compound containing two OH group. Trihydric means compound containing three OH group. Polyhydric means many OH group. Polyhydric means many OH group. Now only one OH means monohydric. Example for that one is two types. One is alkyl, another one is aryl. One is alkyl, another one is aryl. C2H5O, C2H5, that is ether. Now we are going to see the alcohols. C2H5OH, C2H5OH, C2H5OH. So what is that? C2H5OH represent? This C2H5OH represents the ethyl. OH is an alcohol. So we can say this as ethyl alcohol. And the next is dihydric. What is dihydric? Compounds containing two OH group. This is one compound containing two OH group. One OH in first carbon, second OH in the second carbon. Totally how many carbon is there? Two carbon is there. So this is ethane. Where the OH is replaced? First and second. So it is ethane 1,2-diol. Commonly it is derived from ethylene. If you remove the both the OH group, instead of if you introduce one double bond here, it is called ethylene. No. Removal of OH, you have to introduce one bond. If you remove any atom or group from the adjacent carbon atom means you have to introduce one bond. No. So now it becomes ethylene. If OH group is attached there means it is called glycol. So it is ethylene glycol. Dihydric example. Trihydric means three carbon atoms. The three OH groups attached to each carbon, that is called glycerol. How will you write the IUPAC name? Three carbon means propane. Where the OH group is attached? First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So it is propane 1,2,3-triol. The next is aryl. Aryl means benzene ring must be present there. And the OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. So these all are the examples of phenols. All are the examples of phenol. If the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring means it is called phenolic alcohols. It is called a phenolic alcohols. This is also classified into monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Monohydric means benzene ring contains only one OH. Dihydric means benzene ring contains two OH. Trihydric means benzene ring contains three OH. Now, if only one OH is attached to the benzene ring means that is called phenol. 2 OH means catechol. It can also be named as in benzene. So, benzene. 1,2 position. 1,2 position. We have OH group. OH, 1 OH means all. 2 OH means diol. In benzene ring. 3 OH. In which position? 1, 2, 3 position. So it is called benzene 1,2,3-triol. It is called benzene 1,2-diol. And this is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Commonly it is called as pyrogalol. Commonly it is called as pyrogalol. And the next is classification of monohydric alcohols. Classification of monohydric alcohols. Classification of monohydric alcohols according to the hybridization. Hybridization. If carbon-carbon single bond is there means sp3. Double bond is single bond means sp3. Double bond means sp2. Triple bond means sp. Triple bond means sp. Triple bond means sp. Hybridization is there. Triple bond means sp hybridization. sp hybridization. So this is sp. That is sp1. 1sp1. That is sp. So no need to put mention 1. So it is sp hybridization. So compounds containing the OH group which is attached to sp3 carbon. It is classified into 3 types. First one is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. The compound, if any compound which contains CH2OH group means it is referred to as a primary. If any compound which contains CHOH means it is called secondary. If any compound which contains COH is called tertiary. COH means tertiary. CHOH means secondary. CH2OH means primary. So first it is classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. What is this? Classification of monohydric. And the next is allylic. Allylic is nothing but the OH group is attached to the carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Here OH or any group should be there. That means the OH group is attached to sp3 carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Double bond means sp2, no? To that one carbon is attached, that is called sp3 carbon. There the OH is present. There the OH is present. Allylic. That is OH group attached to sp3 carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. Next to carbon-carbon double bond. And the next example for this one is, that is CH. This is one example. Tell me which is primary, secondary or tertiary? The compound contains which group? CH2OH. And this is sp3 carbon. Adjacent to which carbon? Carbon-carbon double bond. So this is also allylic as well as primary. Here it is sp3 carbon, that is single bond. Here double bond. Next to double bond we have OH. And this is CHOH. So it is called a secondary. And the next is COH. So it is tertiary. Next one is benzylic alcohols. Next we are going to see is benzylic alcohols. So benzylic alcohols. Benzyl means benzene ring should be there. That means the benzene, the OH group is not directly attached to the benzene ring. If the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring means it is called as phenolic alcohols. This is benzylic, no? So in the side chain it should be present. That means the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon next to aromatic ring. There next to carbon-carbon double bond. Benzene ring CH2OH. This is also classified into primary. Benzene ring CHOH. So secondary. Benzene ring COH. So it is tertiary. Both allylic and benzylic also classified as primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary. And the next is compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon. Where the OH group is attached. The OH group is attached to carbon in sp2 hybridized state. That is, in these alcohols, the OH is directly bonded to the carbon-carbon double bond. sp2 means double bond. sp2 means double bond. That is called as a vinylic carbon. That is called as a vinylic, and also aryl. In benzene ring also we have a double bond, no? So aryl. These alcohols are known as the vinylic alcohol. Example, CH2 double bond CH. This is a vinyl group. So vinyl. OH is alcohol. So it is vinyl alcohol. So it is vinyl alcohol. And the next is aryl or phenol. Phenol, the word itself mentioned the OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Yes, here also the benzene ring, the OH group is directly attached. It is called as a phenol. Here not only OH group, there is another group called CH3. In a benzene ring, if only OH is present means it is called phenol. In the benzene ring, if only CH3 is present means it is called, only CH3 means it is called toluene. Both OH and CH3 is present means cresol. In a benzene ring, both OH and CH3 is present means it is called cresol. And what is this O represent? This is nothing but ortho. This is ortho. Why this is called ortho? 1,2 position in the benzene ring is called ortho. 1,2 position in the benzene ring is called ortho. 1,2 position in the benzene ring is called ortho. Next we are going to see the classification of ethers. Next we are going to see the classification of ethers. So now ethers. What is the classification here? What is the functional group first? O is our functional group to which two alkyl groups are attached. Classification. First one, ethers. Ethers is classified into two types. Simple ether, mixed ether. Simple ether, mixed ether. Simple ethers is also called as symmetrical ethers, and the mixed ethers called as unsymmetric ethers, and this is called as unsymmetric ethers. Symmetric, name itself mention that the alkyl group attached to oxygen is same. The alkyl group attached to the oxygen is same, or aryl group attached to oxygen is same. Here CH3, CH3. So same group. So it is an example for simple ether or symmetric ethers. It is called as dimethyl ether. It is called as dimethyl ether. And the next one is here ethyl, here ethyl. Why it is called as ethyl? 2 carbon is there, no? So it is called as ethyl. Ethyl, diethyl. 2 ethyl group is attached. So diethyl, diethyl ether. The next we are going to see is mixed ether. Next we are going to see is mixed ether or unsymmetric ether. Mixed ether or unsymmetric ether. If the alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen are different, same means mixed or simple. Simple ether. Different means mixed ether. Example. Here methyl, here 2 carbon ethyl. Now, how will you write the name of this one? First we have to mention the methyl or ethyl. Now, follow the alphabetical order. E ethyl, M methyl. Which one comes first? E. So this is ethyl methyl ether. So CH5, 2 carbon, so ethyl. This is 1 carbon methyl. Why you write the ethyl first? Since the alphabetical order in this E first comes first. So E ethyl methyl ether. And the next is C2H5, O C6H5. This is ethyl we know. The C6 means phenyl. C6H5 means phenyl. C6H5 means phenyl. So this is ethyl phenyl ether. This is ethyl phenyl ether. Now these are the classifications of alcohols and ethers. Classification of alcohol and ethers.